Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a 5-star hotel. This beautiful apartment was built like amenities, food location, and facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than thousands of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Review rating is 8.4. It's the excellent category one. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this hotel 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is good and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. Get more details about this hotel, please below the link in description. If you have visited this hotel, you